Welcome to the Toy Foundry. I'm Jacob Willis, one of the co-creators for the Snane. Now, the Snane is no ordinary toy. It's made up of 3 parts, and it's easily accessible for children over 3 and up. Now, it's sold in Happy Meals for young kids all across the country, and they're coming to you.
Hi, my name is Jackie Giordano, and I'm another co-founder of the Snane. The Snane consists of 3 main parts: the head, the body, and the tail. The Snane is connected by hooks and pins that are previously attached to the snake in order to prevent a choking hazard. Additionally, the tongue and the eyes are already previously attached in addition to not cause any choking hazards. The toy makes a rattle sound and is pre-glued so that there will be no issues of choking on the small beads inside. The snake will be contained in a small plastic Ziploc type bag with the 3 pieces previously unattached so that the users and the customers are able to put it together themselves. It's very easy to put together, but it adds a fun additional challenge for the kids to put it together however they wish. The Snane can easily be removed from the packaging and assembled with the 3 parts in the bag. The Snane can be put together in many different ways so that the creativity is left up to the customer for how they want their snake to look. The material used for the Snane or snake train was a 3D printed plastic. As you can see, the entire body is made up of this 3D printed plastic, printed in green. The wheels are also printed in the same material using a gray color to differentiate between the snake and the wheels. The wheels are unattachable due to the added pins on the end to ensure that the wheels will not fall off. The eyes are used from paper and markers, and they are hot glued. In addition, the tongue is made the same exact way. For the body, we have a similar design made out of the same materials, and as you can see, we have the hooks and the pins attached so that there's no chance of it being a choking hazard for the young kids. The tail was created in the same way, the only addition being the rattle, which was created by a hollow cut in the dome portion of the rattle filled with beads that were then hot glued on to make sure there's no chance of kids choking on the beads.
Hi, I'm Yael Garcia. I am another co-creator of the Snane. Now, for the design of the Snane, we wanted to incorporate as many unique principles as possible. A simple consideration that we made is the difficulty in assembling our product. Instead of making a difficult-to-use ball and socket joints, we simply did a pin and a hole. So it simply assembles together and stays together. Easy for any child to use and gets them to the fun faster. Also, we added auditory stimulation. This end piece filled with beads adds a bit more fun for kids to play around. When considering intellectual property, we made sure that our train is an original design thought of entirely by our co-creators.
For future production, we're going to use injection of plastic molding to help make each individual body part. Now, if you don't like green, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. Future production is actually going to be made of using different colors for each body part. Now, when a kid goes and picks up their Happy Meal, they have any different sort of color or pattern that they want on their snake, they can do it with any other part that'll combine with the ones that they already have. Check out the Snane in any Happy Meal near you.